goodies, welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen, how to cook. And today we are not in the kitchen. We are not in the kitchen, but welcome to another Vlogmas, you guys. All right, you know, with Vlogmas it comes with just about everything. I'm going to take you guys to supermarkets, vlogging, cooking, and everything that your girl love to do. Okay, but anywho's, for my oldies, welcome back. From a newbie, welcome to the channel. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and all them good something there, because you know say it now go unappreciated. Alright, so today y'all, I'm going to be running into Aldi's supermarket is what I want to do. But I'm going to Aldi's and pick up a couple of things. Wait a minute. My truck cool. Y'all, my truck just like, my truck is cold. It's cold out here, and my truck is letting me know that it's cold. All right. But anyway, y'all, I'm going to be going to Aldi's to pick up some few essentials. When I say essentials, I mean essential, because I already had went and got a couple of things for Thanksgiving, but I needed to go into Aldi's and pick up some bread and all them other little things there. Stuff I'm gonna need for the coming week, because I'm not going to be coming out here because it's cold, and I do not like the cold weather. Y'all already don't know that. So it's sunny, but it's not one of them Florida business there. Even though the sun is out, it looks like this. It's pretty cold outside. It's chilly. It's very chilly, you guys. So I'm going to run into Aldi's and pick up a couple of things, like I said before. And I definitely want to go to my daughter first. I'm going to go to my daughter's house for a minute and pick up something from over her house. So I'm on my way going to her house right now, and then go to Aldi's. Let's just say this. Whatever I'm planning on doing today, you guys, it's going to have to be done before the sun actually goes down. You know what I mean? And then my plans are to take myself back into the gym. I don't know. Wait a minute. Why my truck feels like that? I don't know what's going on with my baby. It's like, it's literally cold. I haven't moved this truck from my driveway in, I'd say, 4 or 5 days. So yeah, it's let me know that I need to drive. You see, my truck is one of them trucks that when you go up on the highway, it's very highway friendly, is what it is. So it's letting me know that it's been parked for 4 or 5 days without moving. So I should have let it run for at least, I'd say, 30 minutes before I actually drive it. But I let it kind of run for like 7 minutes and then drove. That's not good, ain't it? When it's cold like this, you have to make the truck, or your vehicle in general, it doesn't matter what you're driving, you have to allow the vehicle to sit there and just run for a little bit. So my daughter doesn't live too far from me, so when I get to her house, I'm going to leave the truck running for a little bit and just let it do what it needs to do. Okay, I think I probably need an oil change soon. Yeah, let's give it some gas. Let's give it some gas, okay? Maybe that's what it needs. I may be too delicate with it. It needs a pump. Alright, you guys, so I just want to let you guys know what's going on, where I'm heading to. So when I get into the supermarket, I will definitely share with you guys what's happening in Aldi's or whatever. Alright, turn. I will definitely do that, and then when I get home, I'll show you guys what I got. Alright, so today is Saturday, so happy Saturday, and not only happy Saturday, but happy Vlogmas. We're gonna do this every day, okay? So make sure that you guys are liking and sharing and all that good stuff. Let me know that you are here, okay? Just thumbs up and say something in the comments. Nice though, because the holiday season calls for nice things in the comments. All right, so go ahead and do that, y'all. I'm definitely going to be dropping some recipes in and out here and there But you know, I'm not cook as much as me used to. Now it's only me and my husband. Things has changed drastically, you guys, over the course of the years. I don't be cooking as much as I used to, because it's me and my husband alone in the house now. So, and my husband used to be an eater. I could cook a lot and him eat. Now him tone down on him eating, and so did I. You know what I'm saying? With age come changes. Okay. So I don't be cooking like that like I used to, you guys. So whatever I do, whatever I'm doing, whether I'm making a little breakfast, whatever, or something really quickly, I'm going to share that with you, because we're going to be determined to do this a Vlogmas. All right? So we'll see you on the next clip. All right, y'all, let's turn the music off before me off copyrighted. All right, so mission accomplished here with daughter. Mission accomplished. So now I'm going to be heading to Aldi's. I'm going to be heading to Aldi's, you guys, and pick up the things that I need there. So yeah. Alright, so we are home. Made it home safely. Thank you, Jesus. Alright, so we have our Aldi's bag here. And I wanted to show you guys what I did pick up in there. You already seen a couple of things that I showed you on camera already, but you might not have seen something. So, alright, so I picked up this tropical blend, pineapple, mango, strawberry, papaya. So I usually buy this to make smoothies for my husband, so he could take that to work. And then I also picked up a loaf of 100% whole wheat bread to make sandwiches and stuff for him to go to work. And I also picked up some mixed vegetables. I'm planning on doing a quick chicken pot pie very, very quickly. So I picked up that just for that reason only. I also picked up some bell peppers. Alright, these bell peppers are really good. And I also picked up some tomatoes also. This is the same brand. Nature Sweet brand. So I picked that up. It usually comes 6 tomatoes in a bag. So yeah, I picked that up. And then I also picked up some green ones. Green peppers. So this is not the same brand as this one. This one is, I guess this is the Aldi's brand because it says by Aldi's. Right, so pick that up also. And then I also picked up some sandwich meat. This is chicken breast to make sandwiches, you know, for over for our work. And I also picked up some chicken breast strips, 2 different flavors. I use it for myself, and I also give it to Future with his food because he won't eat his dog food without meat in it. So this is the one said grilled chicken, I wanted chicken fajitas. Don't quote me with the word, okay? But this is what I picked up. Alright, I also picked up some chocolate, dark chocolate for the heart. Okay, so I picked that up. I didn't get a whole lot of stuff, you guys, because I already had went grocery shopping, but I didn't go to Aldi's because of the holiday rush. So I have to pick up bread and then something that I can't have that to make lunch for husband, right? Alright, so I also picked up some cinnamon crunch squares. Fast, easy breakfast in the morning, you guys. You may see me doing some of these breakfast quickies, okay? In the morning time, because I want to make sure that I have a content for you guys every single day because we are doing Vlogmas, right? So you guys may see me making some of this in the morning for breakfast. Alright, and then I also picked up some celeries, so because I want to make some celery juice. And I also picked up some apples because 1 apple a day keeps the doctor away. This is a Sugar Bee brand by Aldi's. Alright, so them say it's supposed to sweet, right? What else did I pick up? Also picked up a pack of Cheez-It because this is one of my husband's favorite snacks. So I picked that up for him. Also picked up some vinegar. Alright, you already know why, because Juliana never cooks without vinegar, okay? Vinegar not only good for your body, but it makes you stay young forever. Alright, so I picked up my vinegar. And last but not least, I picked up a heavy duty aluminum foil paper because I'm out. Whatever I had in the house, I used it all up for Thanksgiving Day. So I am pretty much out on that. So that is it, you guys. That is it. I'm gonna go ahead and put those away because we are all done here. I don't have to go back to the grocery shop to do grocery shopping right now because I already have some meat kind and I have quite a bit of leftovers from Thanksgiving. So we're gonna just go ahead and put these away and call it a day, right?
but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew how much I miss.
All right, y'all, so we have made it to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, happy Vlogmas. We're bring them. And with that being said, tell a friend to tell a friend, okay? And always remember, from my kitchen to your kitchen. Enjoy. Later.
How much I miss.